Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? This is absolutely perfect if you are looking to soothe your sore feet after a very long day. And that is because it is a really nice foot massager that does great kneading and also provides some nice soothing heat. So this was sent over by a company called SKG, and this is their YS100 model. As you can see, it is right here next to me. Naturally, you are gonna get an instruction sheet. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now, there is two ways to control this foot massager, which is pretty nice. One, you have all the controls right here on the device itself, but if you don't want to bend over or anything like that, they do come with a nice little remote control, which just uses a standard coin battery, and you're going to see it has all the same functions as the device itself. So if you lose the remote, no worries, you can control it here on the product. So here it is. This is what it looks like. A very nice kind of clean line, very lightweight, so it's easy to pull around, move it around from room to room. If you're taking this to the office or maybe your home area or something like that, living room, you can easily move it from room to room. It does have these little rubber feet here on the bottom, so it's raised up slightly. The whole outside is kind of like a faux leather feel, if you will, so it's very easy to wipe down, keep nice and clean, and all that kind of stuff. Now, the foot cuffs themselves. This is designed for men's shoes sizes up to a size 13. So if you're, most people are going to be able to comfortably, easily fit in this thing. And obviously you can position your foot in there so that way you're getting all the maximum rollers. Now the foot inserts themselves also do come out. There is little zippers in here. So if you do want to go ahead and throw them in the machine wash, you can do that. I do suggest that you put it on cold and then also on low heat for the dry, because you don't want them to shrink or anything over time. Now, as far as plugging it in, it has a nice long cable, just plugs into a standard outlet itself. Now, what this is going to focus on is it's going to be targeting your heel, your plantar, your arches, your toes, and your instep. So very, very easy, like I said, to utilize. So first off, you're gonna notice you're gonna have the power button. Simply press that and it's gonna turn on the device. You're gonna have 3 different kneading modes. So that's really cool. You hit the M button and you're gonna notice the light is gonna go through and change those. They're all kind of, there's rollers in there, there's multiple ones. There's one up at the front, and then there's kind of one in the middle area. So that way you're getting multiple targets on your foot at the same time. And that's just changing that pattern and how those rollers are working. Now, as far as the compression, the squeezing of your foot, there's going to be a low, a medium, and high. My personal favorite for the compression is I really like the medium level. And then the mode, I actually prefer mode 3. But like I said, it's all customizable. You can adjust it however you want. Now, this does have, like I said, soothing heat on there, which is absolutely great in the winter time. It does get up to about 131 degrees on the device, obviously not right on your skin. So you can turn that on or off just simply by pressing the heat button and activate it if you so choose. Now, it does have an auto off timer, which I always love those features because you know how long it's run. And you're gonna have a 15-minute or a 30-minute option. So if you want a kind of a soothing one, you can do that. Or I mean a short one or a nice long one, you can do that as well. As you can hear, the device has been running. My microphone's right here. It is very, very quiet. So if you do have this at like the office or you're watching a movie or something like that, it's not gonna disturb anybody around you. It's very, very quiet when operating, which is pretty cool. And it's very, very compact, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. It can easily fit in the bottom of your closet or something like that, or if you have an ottoman that has open, you can easily put it in there as well. But overall, like I said, if you're in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great foot massager, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.